So, you guys will get to this if you purchase it. Just email me, give me a call, whatever. I can walk you through on how to get it and then how to get it set up. Unfortunately, I did not take a video on how to get it set up. It took me a little bit to figure it out. It's not as difficult as I made it out to be, but whatever. So, let's get into it. Here is the live simulator. As you can see, it can go through all different kinds of things. There's classroom activities. Learning path obviously is the live simulator. There's a bunch of links on how to get to YouTube videos that walk you through on how to use this. It goes down, talks about wiring diagrams so that you can learn that. This does heating, air conditioning, and it looks like refrigeration as well. Shows right here, commercial freezers. That's one obviously I need to work on. So let's come down here to gas furnace. Obviously we don't really see oil furnaces in this area. In fact, in the 24 plus years I've been doing this, I have never worked on an oil burning furnace. So let's go to gas furnaces. There's challenge mode and there's training mode. Obviously I recommend doing training mode first. I tried a challenge mode. I knew what was wrong with the problem, but I couldn't figure out how to fix it. So the training mode obviously can help get you familiar with the program. There's a ton of different scenarios here, as you can see. You can go down each individual one. You can even start out with no fault, just get you familiar with the equipment. So you can come down, choose whatever one, do whatever you feel like. Let's try a faulty igniter. So first thing first, your little cell phone here. Looks like an iPhone. I prefer Samsung. Tells you customer's name, street address, no heat call. It's gas-fired furnace without AC. This I haven't found to be useful yet. I don't know. I haven't really dug into it too far. So let's put away the phone. I always like to start with talking to the customer. I don't think you can do that on here. I haven't figured that part out yet. So then the next step would be look at the thermostat. Fan is on auto. The selector switch is on off. Let's flip that over here to heat. Obviously, it's on 90 degrees because we all know that everyone that's out there likes to push it up as far as it can go in the heating mode or as down as it can go in the cooling mode, and expects that it's going to be super hot or super cold if they just keep adjusting the thermostat, and obviously that's not the case. So now let's go down to the furnace. You can hear the furnace working. I don't know if you can pick up the audio. So let's remove the door. You just simply click on it to remove the door. Cool part about this is it's trying to make it as close to real life furnaces as possible. So right in this area here, you see a door switch. You want to double click on that and say tape the door switch. Obviously we need to have it running. So normally you'd want to check your power and everything first, but you can see up here the blue rotating arrows if you can't pick up the audio. is showing that the inducer motor is kicked on. So obviously that means there's a call for heat and there's no fire. So you can pull out your meter, and then of course it's a fluke. 116. If you click the red X, that puts your meter away. You can just click on what you want to do with it. If you want to check ohms, continuity, voltage, whatever. I didn't see on this one where they have an amp clamp, but I did see that when I was playing around with the air conditioning. So in order to check voltage, you click on your red and black leads here. So let's click on the red. Let's just, for shits and giggles, see if there is a call for heat. So we will put that on the W. Put the black on common or red. If it's on red, you should see no voltage. If it's on common, you should see voltage, as we do. So we know there's a call for heat. Inducer motor is obviously working, but once again, let's just check to see if there's power. And that's something else I forgot to say. It doesn't matter on here whether you put red to whatever and black to whatever. It will work the same. So we do have power to the inducer motor, but there's no flame. I have not seen the igniter glow yet. So let's go down. Actually, let's check the pressure switch first. There is no power to the pressure switch. So that tells me that the pressure switch is closed. In this scenario, we're just going to play with it a little bit and see what happens. Let's double click the igniter. It says cancel or replace. Hit replace. You're going to charge the customer $190. Obviously, at our company, we do not do that, but still, for this game, that's what it wants. Let's hit proceed. Look at that. We got 4 out of 5 stars. We replaced the igniter. Click cancel. Click cancel. So in order to get your 5th star, you must remove the tape. Remove tape. Close the door. Oh. Can't do it on this. Doesn't look dirty. I have seen YouTube videos where this shows it extremely filthy, so we'll just put it away so we don't have to overcharge the customer. Now let's replace the door. And one last thing to get your 5th star, grab the broom and clean up your workstation. Look at that. We got all 5 stars on the first shot. You can hit go to next scenario, or you can open the list, or you can go home. Like I said, this is, I think, going to be an amazing tool for all of us, including myself. If you have any questions on how to use it or where to purchase it, please text me or give me an email and I will let you know. And then I will also walk you through the path on how to get set up. I am going to play around with this and see what this is about, because it came with it. Don't exactly know, but it should help, it looks like, because it's talking about refrigeration and ACs, the 7th edition. So, yeah, I hope everyone's doing well and enjoying your quarantine. Thanks.